how to check your Shopify SEO score. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to check your Shopify SEO score for better rankings so you can analyze it and also evaluate it. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can go to your apps here, you can click on it, and then you can search Smart SEO. Then you can click search on Shopify App Store, and then you will be redirected to the Shopify App Store, and this is the results. So we're gonna use this app, Surface Smart SEO. You can click on it. This is one of the best SEO app in Shopify. So you can see the description. You can check their features, and also you can see the reviews. A lot of good reviews here. So they have also free plan, so you can use it for free. And if you want to more features, if you need more features, you can just upgrade the plan. And then you can just click install here. I already installed it, so I can open it. After you install it and choose the plan, you will be in this page. So as you can see, I have already set up the Smart SEO. You have to set up it first. After that, you can check your SEO score. So in order to do that, you can go to SEO Audit here in the tab in the left side of your screen. And as you can see, it will automatically run the machine to check your SEO score. And my score is not really good. And then you will find all of the SEO score in each categories, like the products, in the collection, in the blogs, and others. And as you can see, for example, in my products here, I have a good 7 good products, and then 13 moderate. So let's say I want to make it better, so I can click this one, and then it will be in my products pages. So as you can see, in my products, I can add keywords here, and then you can also check each score here. So let's say I want to add category here, so you can just select the category, I mean the keyword, sorry. So you can just add the keywords and then click save, and you can do it one by one. And yeah, you can just, try to another categories like blocks here. I have one moderate, so you can click on it, and then you can customize it, or you can click action here, and then you can see the score. So you can check it one by one for all categories. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.